friends, and welcome to our very first science lesson together. We are starting a new unit and a new subject today in science, and our unit is Earth materials. We together are going to learn all about what the Earth is made of, and what the Earth is made of is rocks. Throughout this science unit, we are going to be studying rocks, looking closely at rocks that we find, and learning how the rocks of Earth are formed. Today, to get us started, we are going to be setting up our brand new science journals. So push pause on this video, head to your white distance learning box paperwork folder, and see if you can find your science journal. Push pause and go find it. Once you have your science journal, you can write your name at the bottom because today you are a scientist. Open up to the inside cover so that you can learn how to use this science journal. On the inside cover is a table of contents that goes through all of the cool things we're going to be learning about in science. We are going to begin with this first page called a thinking map. And each time we have science class together, we're going to add 1 or 2 words to our thinking map. The more we learn about rocks, the more we'll have to add to this map. So to get started, think about a rock. What do you already know about rocks? Where have you seen rocks before, and what did they look like? So think of a rock. Remember, rocks can be different sizes. They can be as big as a mountain or as small as sand. Rocks can be different colors too. Look at all of the colors and textures in these rocks. Rocks can be different shapes, from round to triangular. Rocks can have patterns, like speckles, lines, and stripes. Write one thing right now on your thinking map about rocks. Push pause and do that. In my thinking map, I wrote the word heavy because I feel like rocks are kind of heavy. Now we are going to explore our very first science lesson. This lesson is called Rock Collections. Rock collectors look for rocks, and that's what we're going to do together right now. Let's go outside and find some rocks. Alright, so I'm going to come on outside and see what rocks I can find where I live. So I'm looking around my yard and I need to find rocks that are small enough that I can take inside, but that are still cool for my rock collection. So here's a rock in my garden that is really, really cool, but you know what? That rock does not belong to me and it's really big, so I'm going to leave it. Searching for rocks. Ooh, I found a rock hiding under a bush. It's a pretty big one, but I think I can carry it, and I know it doesn't belong to anybody, so I'm going to add it to my container. I'm coming over here. I see lots of rocks, but they're in use in the garden. Those are lining the garden, so I'm not going to touch those. Let's go around to the front yard. Oh, there's some more rocks by Lupa's ramp. Those look important, so I'm going to leave those there. And I'm going to shut my gate so Lupa doesn't come out. There we go. All right, on a hunt for rocks. Oh, look at this. A little pile of rocks that I've collected at the bottom of my dryer spout. I'm going to find a cool one here. Ooh, this one is red and speckly. It's got all kinds of little marks in it. That's pretty cool. I like this one too. Adding it to my rock collection. All right. Look at these rocks in the garden. They have little messages on them. Those rocks must belong to somebody. So I'm not going to take them, but I can still look at them and enjoy them, can't I? All right, moving to the front of my yard. Here's some rocks in the garden. Ooh, I like this one. It has all kinds of cool textures. Adding it to my rock collection. Wow, look at this rock. That That is so cool. I can stop and notice all of the patterns and designs, but it's too big. I can't take it inside with me. Let's try to find one more rock together. Ooh, it looks like there's some rocks in this bird bath. Wow. Look at this one. It looks like a cow with speckles. That is the rock for me. All right, I've got my rock collection. I'm gonna bring it inside and look closely at them. Ooh. Scientists find a place to keep their rock collection. Let's do that too. Okay, so I went outside, I got a great collection of rocks, and now I'm gonna find something to put my rock collection in. I found this really cool little container that wasn't being used for anything, so I thought this would be a fun container to put my rocks in. So now I will display my rocks in this container so that others can enjoy my rock collection. And scientists record their findings. After you have collected your rocks and you have found a way to display them, you are going to do page number 2 of your science journal. Page number 2 is called My Rock Collection. And in this box, you are going to put a picture of your rock collection. Here's mine. It's my 6 rocks in my little bowl. All right, learners, head out, find those awesome rocks to build your rock collection, and then show a picture of it on page 2. Okay, scientists, off you go. Great work.